So we live in an old church in Pennsylvania. I bought it accidentally 8 years ago on off of an ad on Craigslist. It is our home, and for the most part, it's gorgeous. But our studio, which is down on the level below this, our 2,400-foot studio has just moved upstairs. And until it's in place, all of these boxes are sitting here on our beautiful stage with my mermaid pew that I carved. It's a wooden pew that I carved. So today, the goal today, December 22nd, 2022, is to try to get at least this little stage organized and put away. Hopefully that's going to happen. So much stuff to do, and the tough part about living in something this size is it feels like you have a lot of room, but you really don't. So organizing my wood cutting studio, my glass fusing, glass blowing, glass pooling, stained glass making area, it's going to be back in the room behind here. And organizing it is a big old job. That's what we're going to focus on today. Today my focus is to get this little stage cleared off, and I think we can do it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, and I will do a video at the end of the day, hopefully showing all of this cleaned off. I'll polish the wood, I'll clean up, look at the dust around the edge, and just make this glow, that part glow for for Christmas, for a Christmas miracle. And then tomorrow we'll worry about that. Let's do it. Little bit by little bit, we get organized. Have a beautiful morning. Thanks for subscribing and watching.